Physical features of India. As we know that India is a vast country and there are various landforms which are present in India. If we talk about the landform which is available on earth, all of them are present in India like Himalayas, plain, plateau, desert, islands. So, so how these physical features of India are being formed? Like if we talk about the mountains, the plains, deserts, plateaus and islands, the thing which came in our mind is that how they formed. In this chapter we are going to study about all of them and also what is the speciality, what is the range and where these particular landforms are being found. We are going to study throughout this chapter. Major physiographic division. The physical features of India can be grouped under the following physiographic division. First, the Himalayan mountains. Second, the northern plains. Third, the peninsular plateau. Fourth, the Indian desert. Fifth, the coastal plain. And sixth, the islands. The Himalayan mountains. Himalayas are geologically young and structurally fold mountains which stretch over the northern borders of India. These mountain it ranges in a west-east direction from Indus to Brahmaputra. It forms the highest and rugged mountain barriers of the world. As you can see in the picture, they form an arc which covers the distance of about 2400 km. If we are talking about their width, it varies from 400 km in Kashmir to 150 km in Arunachal Pradesh. The Himalayan mountains. Himalayas are divided in three parts. First is Great or Inner Himalayas, or we also say Himadri. Second, Himachal or Lesser Himalayas, and third one is Shivaliks. First one, Great or Inner Himalayas or Himadri. If we talk about this, it consists of high peaks with an average height of 6,000 meter. It contained all the well-known Himalayan peaks. These mountains are made up of granite and throughout the year it is covered with snow. This is a list of few highest peaks of the Himalayas. The first one is Mount Everest, which is situated in Nepal and its height is in 8,848 meter. This is how the Great Himalayas look. The second part of Himalaya is known as Himachal or Lesser Himalaya. Basically, it is composed of highly compressed and altered rock. The altitude varies between 3,700 and 4,500 meter and the average width is of 50 km. If we talk about this region, it is basically famous or well known for its hill station. The Pir Panjal range forms the longest and it is the important range, while the Daula Dhar and Mahabharat ranges are also prominent ones. This range consists of famous valley of Kashmir, the Kangra and Kullu valley in Himachal Pradesh. Talk about the range which is lying to the south of the Himadri. It forms the most rugged mountain system. The outermost range of Himalayas is called Shivaliks. They extend over a width of 10 to 50 km and an altitude varying between 900 and 1100 meters. It is composed of unconsolidated sediment brought down by the rivers from the main Himalayan range located farther north. These valleys are covered with thick gravel and alluvium. The longitudinal valley lying between Lesser Himalaya and the Shivaliks are known as Doon. Dehradun, Kotli Doon and Patli Doon are some of the well-known Doons. We have studied that the longitudinal divisions of Himalayas. The Himalayas have been divided on the basis of regions from west to east. These regions have been demarcated by river valleys. For example, the Himalayas lying between Indus and Satluj has been traditionally known as Punjab Himalaya, but it is also known regionally as Kashmir and Himachal Himalaya from west to east respectively. The part of Himalayas lying between Satluj and Kali rivers is known as Kumaon Himalayas. The Kali and Tista rivers demarcate the Nepal Himalayas, and the part lying between Tista and the Dihang rivers is known as Assam Himalayas. The Brahmaputra marks the easternmost boundary of the Himalayas. Beyond the Dihang Gorge, the Himalayas bend sharply to the south and spread along the eastern boundary of India. They are known as Purvachal or the Eastern Hills and Mountains. These hills running through the northeastern states are mostly composed of strong sandstones, which are sedimentary rocks. Covered with dense forest, they mostly run as parallel ranges and valleys. The Purvachal comprises the Patkai Hills, the Naga Hills, the Manipur Hills, and the Mizo Hills. You can see the image of Mizo Hills in the given slide. So that's it for today's class. Thank you.